Welcome guys, welcome to biggest Excel course. Okay guys, in this lecture I will explain what exactly Excel means. Guys, Excel is comes with Microsoft Office productivity tools. Okay, in Microsoft Office productivity tools we have different types of tools like Word, Access, okay, PowerPoint presentation and Excel. So these are the different types of tools are available in Microsoft productivity tools. So Excel is very popular tool. Okay, now first understand what exactly this Excel means. Guys, Excel is a spreadsheet program. Okay, here spreadsheet means grid of cells. See, these are call it as a cells. Okay, so these cells are arranged into rows, okay, and columns. So intersection between these rows and columns we are call it as a cells. Okay, these cells are used to enter data, store data and manipulate data. By using these cells we can do all these things in Excel. Let's imagine without Excel we cannot store any data. Okay, so if you want to store any data, Excel is a mandatory application. So that's why lot of business feels this Excel is a mandatory tool. Okay, so if you go for any accounting related things, Excel is a mandatory tool. They are maintain some inventories. If you go for any share market side, Excel is a mandatory application. They are maintain some charts also by using this Excel application. Okay, and also some sales and marketing team also used Excel. Initially they are store data into Excel, then they are upload into different tools based on their requirement, but initial tool is Excel. So Excel is a most popular tool in nowadays. Even if you learn my Power BI also, Excel is a mandatory tool. If you learn Excel, even Tableau is very easy, Power BI is very easy. Okay, so basic foundation is Excel. Okay, so that's why I will cover all the advanced concepts in Excel. Okay, so just hit enroll button, enroll this course and become a master in Excel. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.